Hi, this is Alex from devstories.eu. LlamaIndex, Context-Augmented LLM Applications, Episode 7 of 14. You are building an agent that needs to check stock prices, pull messages from Slack, or query a database. You could spend days reading API documentation, handling authentication schemas, and writing boilerplate integration code. Or you could just grab the completed work a community developer already wrote and verified. This episode covers extending agents with LlamaHub tools. Agents rely on tools to interact with the outside world. While you can write every integration manually, LlamaHub exists specifically to eliminate that redundant work. It operates as a vast open-source registry of pre-built tool specifications. A tool specification, or tool spec, is essentially a Python class that bundles together multiple related API calls into a single package. By pulling these directly into your project, you bypass the entire process of writing the underlying logic for third-party services. To use one of these integrations, you install its specific package. If you want your agent to answer questions about a company's stock price, you do not write a custom HTTP request to the Yahoo API. Instead, you use your standard package manager to install the LlamaIndex Yahoo Finance Tools package. Once installed, you import the Yahoo Finance ToolSpec class into your script. Here is the key insight. You do not pass the ToolSpec class directly to the agent. Because a ToolSpec is a bundle of multiple capabilities, you must unpack it first. You do this by creating an instance of the Yahoo Finance ToolSpec and then calling a specific method on it named toToolList. This method breaks the bundle apart and returns a standard flat array of individual tools that the agent can read and execute. This modular design means you are not restricted to using only external tools or only internal tools. You can seamlessly combine them. Suppose you already have a local custom function tool that formats currency numbers specifically for your company internal dashboard. You simply create a standard Python list. Inside that list, you place your custom currency formatter tool, and you also append the unpacked tools from the Yahoo Finance tool list. You then take this combined array and pass it directly to your agent during initialization by assigning it to the tools parameter. When you prompt the agent with a question about a current stock price, the agent evaluates the user's request against all the descriptions of all the tools in that combined list. It recognizes that the Yahoo Finance tool is the correct choice to fetch the market data. It extracts the company ticker symbol from the user prompt, executes the Yahoo Finance tool, retrieves the real-time price, and can optionally chain that raw result into your local formatting tool before returning the final answer to the user. You just gave your application complex financial lookup capabilities by installing a package, instantiating a class, and calling one unpacking method. This architectural pattern applies to hundreds of integrations on LlamaHub, from reading Google Drive documents to querying Wikipedia. The real leverage of an autonomous agent is not found solely in the reasoning capability of the underlying language model, but in the sheer breadth of external systems it can instantly access through pre-built tool specifications. That is all for this one. Thanks for listening, and keep building.